Hello and welcome to this new video on how to send feedback in Google Translate. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice or Google web browser. And in the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar. Now you just have to type Google Translate and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the Google Translate will appear right in front of your screen. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Google Translate. Just click on it and the Google Translate interface will be opened. Now you just have to look in the right hand side. There is an box for translation, and below the box, again in the right corner, there is a text called send feedback in italic form. So in order to send feedback, you can just click on this text and a sidebar will appear on the right side of the screen. So here is where you need to describe your feedback or give them the feedback. And if you have a screenshot, you can just click on the capture screenshot and send them the screenshot as well. And if you want to receive the mail or more information or updates, then you can just click on this button. And if you don't want to receive anything in your email, then you can just leave the button as it is without clicking it and just hit on the send button that is on the bottom right corner, and you will be able to send them the feedback. This is how you can easily send feedback in Google Translate. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.